In tomorrow, good evening. Welcome to all participating team in Kashipur Secondary School Best Cricket Tournament Season 4 2026. Thanks to 2015 for launching Season 1 and Season 2. Thanks to 2006 hosting Season 3. Thanks to 2007 hosting Season 4. Also thanks to past time champion 2014. Thanks to second time champion 2018. Also thanks to third time champion 2014. Fourth time champion waiting for this year. Thanks to all participating team. I am sorry for 2020 on failure defeated or